In this video, I'll guide you through how to manually receive payment in Bill.com. Whether you've just started using Bill.com or you're a seasoned user facing challenges with bank verifications, this tutorial will help you manage payments confidently and efficiently. Let's dive right in. After you've exited the Plaid verification system, perhaps you've had issues with it or simply prefer a more hands-on approach, you'll be prompted with the question, want to add your bank manually? This is your opportunity to take control of the process and enter your banking details directly into Bill.com. So let's continue by choosing to add your bank manually. First, ensure that you have all your banking information on hand. This includes your account number, the routing number, and any other relevant details your bank might require. Having these details readily available will make the process smoother and quicker, saving you time and potential frustration. Once you've opted to add your bank manually, you'll be directed to a form where you need to input your bank details. Carefully enter your bank's routing number. This is usually a 9-digit number that identifies the financial institution you use. It's important to double-check this number to avoid any errors that could lead to delays in receiving your payments. Next, enter your account number. This number is specific to your account and ensures that the payments are directed to the right place. Similar to the routing number, accuracy is crucial here. Take a moment to verify that all the digits are correct before proceeding. Bill.com might ask for additional details depending on your bank's requirements, so pay attention to any prompts or instructions on the screen. If you're unsure about any information, it's a good idea to have your bank statement or online banking access handy for cross-referencing. Once all your details are entered, it's time to review everything thoroughly. This step is your chance to ensure there are no errors. Double-check that both the routing and account numbers are correct, and confirm that any additional details are accurate. Mistakes can lead to payment issues, so a careful review is always worthwhile. After confirmation, you'll typically need to wait for Bill.com to verify your bank account. This process might involve micro deposits, where small amounts are deposited into your account. You'll then need to verify these amounts in Bill.com to complete the setup. This step is a security measure to ensure that the bank account is yours and is set up correctly for transactions. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Bill.com's support team. They can provide assistance and guidance to ensure everything is set up correctly. It's always better to ask for help if you're unsure rather than risk errors in your payment setup. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manually add your bank account in Bill.com for receiving payments. Remember, taking the time to ensure all your details are accurate will save you from potential headaches down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in setting up your manual payment process in Bill.com. If you found this guide useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.